What are we doing? We're filling out the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, now. You gonna get in the pool? Well, it has no water. Don't worry.
Hydrate. That's what you put. Drink, not for the pool. Drink it.
What happened?
It's good?
Yep, it's good. Put it.
Good job.
Super pool day. Sienna, you having fun? You like the pool? Yes?
So this is like a square. And what color it is? ¿Y en español? Rojo, muy bien. What else? What else? Let's see.
This one.
This one. What color is that one?
Yellow.
Yellow. ¿Y en español? Ama.
Ama.
Amarillo. Amarillo. Good job. Find another color.
This one.
Oh, it's like a circle, right? Okay. What color it is?
Blue.
¿Y en español?
Azul.
Azul. Muy bien. And what else? Ooh, what is that?
Ship.
That's a chip?
Chip.
That's so nice. I think it's a boat, right? A tiny boat? What color it is?
This one.
Big one? Okay. What color is that one?
Green.
Green. ¿En español?
Verde.
Verde. Muy bien. And this one? The big one? What color is that one?
Pink.
¿Y en español?
Rosa.
Rosa. Good job. Good job. You're doing a great job. Find another one. I see like a turtle. There's a turtle. What color is that one?
Purple.
Purple. ¿En español? You can say morado o violeta. Violeta, yes. Good job.